helping hands clamp set. So this would be used if you're like maybe soldering wires, and extremely versatile. So you have these are magnetically attached. These are also magnetically attached. So you can have these in all kinds of different configurations. If you only wanted to have these, you could. So let's say I had a wire and I wanted to have it like this. Let's say this is my wire. I can clamp like so. And then I could sort of pull this up if I wanted to and have it perfectly. So I was soldering it. Maybe if I had a circuit board and a wire, I could. You also have these ones. These are a little bit more low profile. So let's say I wanted to, just do it this way for some reason. And I had a circuit board over here. I could have the circuit board, connected something like that. And then maybe if I wanted to, I could have another piece that was connected and, adjusted like that. So you have very versatile, there's a million different ways you can configure this thing. This is a steel plate. These are magnetic, of course. You could also use these elsewhere, if this piece was not big enough. I think they sell bigger ones. Also, this is rubber on the bottom, so it will not slip on you. It slides, but not easily. So this should stay put on a surface. You see, like it's not moving on me. So I think they've thought of a lot. They have a lot of different configurations as well. So if this configuration doesn't work, you can check out their other helping hands sets. But yeah, pretty neat. I just thought this was cool and I wanted to come on here and show it with you. There's the clip. These are little like clamps. They're rubber. And this is the steel plate. So there you go. And they're all magnetic. Everything sits there. Comes in a box. Ba-bam. And you put it away. Helping hands.